Hello everyone, welcome back to Robotica Making Etc. In this video, I will show you how to program a maze exploring robot.
Thank you for watching.